All right, so we're gonna find now that the area of a triangle DEF with its vertices at these points. So let's first just review what the area of a triangle is, or how we find it. In case you need a little refresher, area of a triangle. So the key is to understand that with a triangle, we can make any triangle have a height, and this height will be the length of a perpendicular that makes a right angle to the base. So this length, that'll be the height of the triangle. We'll call that h. And then from here to here will be the width or the base. And the area, A is equal to 1/2 times the height base, or 1/2 of the height times the base. This will be the general formula for the area of a triangle. With a right triangle, it's going to be much easier because the height right here is just going to be this, and the base will be this. So there's a refresher. Hopefully it's just a refresher, but let's now plot this nicely. So D's at 1, 3. So 1, 3, that'll be the highest point up. So D's at 1, 3. E is at 4, -3. So 4, -3. Let's put F first, -4, -3. So over here. So F -4, -3. And then E will be lined up with F because it has the same y coordinate. So something like this, 4, -3. Yeah, let's connect them. All right. A little crooked, but let me make an adjustment. We got to find the area of this triangle. So we need to remember the things at the base. So from here to here, this will be the base. This will be B. We call it the base. And that's just the length of FE, which will just be from -4 to 4, which will be 8. And let's rewrite our formula for the area down here. Let's go area equals 1/2 base times height. So 1/2 B times H. So 1/2 8. And now we need to find H, the height. So we essentially go from the highest point on the triangle, and let's see, or not visualize what we're actually going to draw. We want to find the length of a perpendicular segment that goes from the point D and makes a right angle to this base. So that means it just drops straight down, and at this point it will have the same x coordinate of 1. And let's call this point A or something. A. Let's give it a name. Now the y coordinate is just going to be the same as E and F, which will be -3. And so this length from D to A will be the height. That will be H. And from there we can just count. So from 3 to -3, that'll be 6. All right. So then the height is 6. All right. And so the area, we got a glare, so let's move this to non-glare. 1/2 of 8, 4. 4 times 6, 24. So 24 square units, or 24 units squared. All right. A little crooked, but it's okay. Now let's do one more because that was so fun, and I know you guys don't want to stop. So let's do one more of these where we're gonna have triangle GHF. GHJ. Don't mind me, just doing some little erasing. Come on. Come on. Feel free to donate an eraser to me. You feel like, you know, being cool. The next problem. Problems. Fix. Find the area of triangle GHJ. GHJ with vertices at 2, 2, dun, 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 3, -1, 3, -1, and -2, -1. All right. And always, of course, try these problems on your own once you think you got it down, and then check with the solution by, you know, pausing, unpausing, that sort of thing. There. Here we go. So drawing this triangle, 2, 2. This will be the highest point up. G will be a 2, 2. H, 3, -1. Let me go to the bottom, like right at the point. Actually, it doesn't matter, but H, 3, -1. And then J, -2, -1. So to the left of this, same height as H. So we have a triangle like that sort of. Okay. So again, the area of this triangle will be 1/2 of the base times height. The base will be from J to H. So from here to here. And that would just be from -2 to 3, which will just be 5. 5. 5. Now we got to find the height. So we can use the same principle. Not like a school principle, same concept. I'm going to switch it up to green. Just, I don't know why. Felt like it. So from here, we're going to draw what the? Instead, the back of green. Okay, that's cool. Here's our height. This green line. Now, that's kind of hard to see. Blue. Won't let me down. Oh, my. Just, you know, experimenting. H. So the height of this, let's look where this would be. That would just be a 2, the same y coordinate of these 2 points, 2, -1. So from 2 to -1 would just be 3. So the height is 3. So we just multiply these together, going back, using good old aggressive black. 1/2 times 5 times 3, so 1/2 of 15 will give you 7.5 units squared. Nice. And there we go. Simple, right? Cool. So I hope that helps. If it does, subscribe. And you know, feedback. I can take it, good or bad. Good feedback or helpful feedback is the key here. And I will see you in the next video where I will cover some more geometry of the perimeter and area of a crazy looking triangle thing. Okay, see you guys. See you later.